Alright guys, so let's continue editing the Devin Jatho video. So we stopped here. In the last video we stopped here with this animation. And in today's video we will make this animation. This one here. Of the typing effect and this comment. So as you see in the main video here, I just showing the main video, but I will hide it. So as you can see, there is just, after making this video animation we've made in the last episode, there is just like transform effect with his video below and just making like swipe effect showing his video. So it's really easy, but because we don't have the raw video or the main video, we will not make it. And here he left the same things that was, shown on the b-roll, this b-roll here. And this is, by the way, what we've done. So he just reused this into his video before making the transform effect. As you can see now here in his video, it's just this, swipe effect and reusing this, but just changing the name. So in this episode, let's make this animation. It's really easy, but we can still, make it. Let's hide this video and let's see. Having rectangle like this, it will be small, changing this to black or gray. Increase around this. After that, we will get the Donald Trump name and image. We've done this before. This one here. So I'll get his name, image, and the time of the comment, and we can just paste it here like this. I think this rectangle needs to be a little bit smaller. We make another one like this, getting it down below all the layers. Increase around this again, and here we will type the comment again, which is rate me. Let's change this font or make it a little bit bolder like this, and making the typing effect, or I think we can keep it lower cases, just like this. Keep it medium, increasing the size a little bit. And now we will make the typing effect using the animation composer, using this fade in, so it will type it like this. We will link all these, text and image to this shape, because we will make some animation to the shape, which is this rectangle here. First, the position, the typing, as you've seen in the video of Devin, it's just typing while making like motion and transform effect for the position. So it's like this. And after that, once the full text, have been written, we will change the scale. We will decline the parent just to make this change the scale. Maybe having the anchor point on the top. And by the way, we will need to remake the animation of the position. So we will, delete it for now until making the anchor point on the top center like this, because when we're making the scale, it will not affect, different places, just affecting this lower, part. Let's make the position change again. So now let's make this, click Shift S to get the scale. Stop this link here or make it disappear. Adding keyframe to the scale and changing the scale like this. And by the way, I will make the rounded edges by the effect, not this, default roundness in the path of the shape. And you will know now why. Because as you can see, when we scale it, it just made this awkward look, but we will make it with the effect of the rough edges. Now after making the scale, I'll give his comment, here, just like this video. As you can see, we will get just his comment with this hydroplies like this. I'll make this line, it will be white. Decreasing the opacity a little bit, or make it gray. Control T, adding the text, increasing the size like this, and now having his name and his icon just like this here. And we've made this before, just his image and his name and the time. Control C and get it here, Control V. Changing the scale like this. Adding his reply here of 7/10. And this will be his reply. So we will have to select all these, layers of his reply and the line and hide replies text. Control Shift C to make it recomposition. So we have it, make it like this. Like this, but make it slower. Now let's add the effect I was mentioning. I would like to add the rough edges effect as I mentioned, to make the rough edges or the rounded edges, adding the rough edges effect and increasing also the sharpness, decreasing the influence, and we will have this same look here. Now when we scale, make this, it will not affect the borders like what we've seen after making the rough edges with the default roundness option into the path of this shape. I hope you understand me. Now I'll make recomposition for all these layers. I'll let you know why now, because at the start we'll have to make position change while writing this text like this. Here I'll make it a little bit down and make the alt and left bracket to make the layer start from here and make it like this. So once the comments start appearing, I'll make the animation start, make it very short, and make the layer start from here. So it will be like this, and then scaling, and then his comment appear, making it scale a little bit faster. Go like this, making the scale a little bit faster, and making his comment appear also, earlier. So just like this. And after that, adding the glow effect. So we have a nice look like this. And now we've done the animation. Let's check again how the video is looking like. Yeah. So his his animation is a little bit faster. So maybe you can just make it get inside this, making this a little bit faster. And this also scale this faster. just like this. Here we have this love icon. We can get this icon from Freepick or something. It's this icon here. We'll get, easily. Make it white color using the fill effect. It will be white. And having this icon here. It was, it should, have been a little bit wider. Maybe making it like this. Selecting the two keyframes and make it, wider like this, changing the position a little bit. And after that, moving this like here. So here is the animation. We've done it. It's really easy. It's just, I think it's the same exact thing to this one here. Maybe I've, just it's this one, a little bit wider or something. But the whole idea is, very easy. There is also like drop shadow. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know if you have any comment questions. Thank you guys, and see you in the next video.